Hello Karnataka CET students. Well, every year students crack KCET by doing just one thing. That is practice, practice and practice until your speed and accuracy improves. With the ABHYAS KCET test series, you can do that too. More than 10,000 students had enrolled in ABHYAS KCET test series last year, and all of them have praised KCET for making them practice unless they improve their speed and accuracy. With 3 lakh students appearing for KCET this year, you need to get every bit of help that you can. And ABHYAS KCET test series is just the perfect thing for you. 35 tests which cover the syllabus of 11th and 12th. The solutions of those tests in video as well as text. Apart from that, doubt solving, which is of course online, will prepare you for the final exam. Believe me, ABHYAS KCET test series will be your game changer. And here is the best part. Now, if after taking this test series or after taking the crash course of KCET from Diksha, you score a rank within 1000, you can win a cash prize up to 1 lakh rupees. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the ABHYAS KCET test series or the crash course and win KCET. All the best.